G'day everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel Banksy Car Obsession. I am Banksy the Car Guy, and today I'm at Surf Sanded Cars, my favourite car show of all time. On every month, of course, at Lakes Beach Budgie Boy here on the Central Coast. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel and like and enjoy some beautiful, eye-catching, neck-snapping cars, motorcycles, trucks. Enjoy, guys. Kicking off the video with a Filipino custom Jeep. This thing looks amazing. Look at that interior. Wild turkey case. This car looks fantastic. I love it. Oh, it's for sale too. 16.5 grand. Oh, fully engineered. Here's a 56 or 7 Ford Custom Line with a V8 in it, and it's a Ford-O-Matic. Some beautiful Fords rolling in, Falcon and a Mustang. And then here's an EH, and it looks like a Willys Jeep next to it. Love that aqua colour. Over here we have a VR, VS, GTSR, HSV, what looks like the front of a sedan put straight onto a ute. I don't think these came in a ute variant, so I'd say yeah, he's taken a sedan, chopped it in half and added it onto a ute frame. Still neat ride. Here's a tidy VZSS ute for sale. Wouldn't mind this in my driveway. Little Mini and 2 red Ford Capris. And then that looks like a Ford Zephyr. An old Ford Model A. Beautiful car. Alright, Banksy pick number 1. And a car that caught my eye was this 1948 Bedford truck. Lovely maroon colour. Looks like it's got a couple of little pinstripe decals. Oh, look at that. It's got a Bedford bar on the back. That is perfect. This would be my ideal ride, if you ask me. The perfect truck. It exists, and this is it. XW Falcon Ute. And here is another eye-catching Banksy pick number 2. This 1974 Jensen Interceptor. You rarely see these cars at car shows, and look at that interior. That interior looks immaculate. I love that maroon, that darker shade of red. This is a fantastic example of such a rare car. No wonder I put it on my cars that caught my eye, the surf sanding cars. This featured in part 1. Look at that. Oh, I can't stop complimenting that interior, and the paintwork looks good. It's got chrome bumpers. Perfect car. For the Holden fans, here's 3 Iron Line Beasts. Love this Sandman ute. This looks beautiful. Love the orange on it. Bloody beautiful ute. Legendary Subaru Brumby. And here is Banksy's eye-catching pick number 3, this 59 Steyr Puke Halflinger, also featured in Cars That Caught My Eye. I had a chat to the owner about this car, learned a bit about it. I love the yellow paint and the fact that it's a rare truck, but it just looks in beautiful condition. Two Holdens and a Cadillac. We'll come back to that Cadillac, and you'll know why soon. There's a Mustang and a Falcon XR8 Ute. And then the Subaru WRX. I love that model of WRX. Here is Banksy pick number 4, is this 1984 Cadillac convertible. I think it's an Eldorado. This is in fantastic condition. I actually followed this car into Surf Sand and Cars. That interior, that brown interior really suits that exterior paint really nicely. The sort of vanilla color on the exterior. This is, I can't stop saying how beautiful this car is. That looks like a perfect Sunday cruiser. Another car featured in Cars That Caught My Eye was this 1955 Armstrong Siddeley Sapphire. Armstrong Siddeley, not too often do you see these cars at car shows, but this example turned up and I couldn't help but film it for YouTube, for my new series, Cars That Caught My Eye. You know, 1955, looks in good condition inside and out. That is just beautiful. That maroon leather interior is stunning. I love the two-tone color on it. Beautiful car. There's a beautiful Tirana. Plenty of bloody nice rides have turned up to Surf Sand and Cars. Great turnout. Awesome cars, awesome motorcycles, awesome trucks. You know, there's so many things, whether it's modified, original. Surf Sand and Cars always delivers some great cars. This is a fantastic community car show here on the Central Coast. Here's a Studebaker Commander, another beautiful car. My favourite word is beautiful, and that's how I'd love to describe cars. Love the blue paint, and it's a Studebaker. Get a load of these two beauties, these custom Harley-Davidson motorcycles. Here's an interesting looking Corvette. It looks like he's had a custom front end put on it, because that does not look like an ordinary Corvette front end. But this looks like an absolute stunner, this ride. Like, the interior looks good, the red paint looks immaculate. In fact, the black leather interior just matches the red paint nicely. Here's Banksy pick number 7, this Hudson Hornet. I think it's a 1950, could be a 1949, 1950. But this car, it's got the beautiful curves. I love the color on it. What a fantastic cruiser. And it's got the white walls, added bonus. Here is Banksy pick number 8, this 1964 Buick Riviera. Another beautiful stunner of a ride. It's a Buick, which I do love Buicks. That brown leather interior looks fantastic, goes really nicely with the red and the white wall tyres. I spotted this at a Cars and Coffee meet at Gwendolyn Bowling Club a few weeks back. Beautiful cruiser. Here is a tough looking XC Falcon hardtop. It's got a gunmetal grey colour. It's got the 351 Cleveland to give it grunt. What a tough looking car. Two Golden Holdens and Banksy's eye-catching pick number 9, this 1938 Packard 1600 sedan known as Bugsy. This is a beautiful vintage American car. It's black and it's got a red stripe. The red leather interior matches it nicely. White wall tyres, that's an added bonus. Oh, this car is perfect, and I featured it in Cars That Caught My Eye. The fact that it's a Packard, say no more. There's the Motley Crue Car Club. They've got some nice cars, beautiful classics. Banksy pick number 10, another car that caught my eye, was this Young Guns 1927 Chevy Roadster in the rat rod styling with an immaculate looking interior. That looks good. This car looks like the perfect Sunday cruiser, and a young gun drives it. Chances are he had a hand in building that. Shelby Mustang, love the black with the red stripes. Beautiful car. An old XR Ute, a buggy and a VB Commodore. Corvette, Mini. There's a nice looking SS Commodore and an old FJ. Here's a 59 Cadillac Eldorado, stunning looking car. Beautiful white exterior paint with red interior, that looks fantastic. Goes well hand in hand. This Holden Gemini looks clean and tidy, love the Simmons wheels on it. The blue paint looks good, interior that looks bloody immaculate. What a fantastic little car. Here is Banksy pick number 11, this 1967 Dodge Phoenix. Love the red and black. Good colour combo. Black Bud Simmons wheels. Car looks immaculate. What a bloody bruiser cruiser kind of car. That is fantastic. The mighty 67 Dodge Phoenix. Credit to the owner. That's a fantastic looking ride. There goes an old HQ and some motorcycles. Two stunners, a Morgan and Mercedes convertible. Very nice, very classy. And over here we have a nice old Ford Hot Rod. Love the yellow paint on it. It's a 28 Ford Model A. Beautiful looking ride. Model A Coupe. Here is a clean Dodge Phoenix. Beautiful white Dodge Phoenix from the early, I'd probably say 1960 model. That looks fantastic. Red interior, white paint, goes well hand in hand. Little bit of chrome as well. Beautiful car. Alright guys and girls, that's all from today at Surf, Sand and Cars. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to check out my series, Cars That Caught My Eye. I should have a 3-part series for, there were 6 cars that particularly caught my eye, and there was plenty of Banksy pics as well from the YouTube video. And yeah, like I say, look, love Fords, but I love a bit of everything. It's not just all about Fords. I like to include plenty of other cars, like that Packard 6 was one example. The Steyr, what is it, the Steinpuck Haflinger, you know, that, you know, how often do you see them? And I think I didn't find out about these cars until it was actually at this event, and I had a chat to the owner, and yeah, it was a 1959 model, and it was good to just learn something about that car. And you know, cars, this is definitely my top interest. You know, learning about other cars, whether, you know, they're rare as hen's teeth or they're quite common. It's just, you make friends, in the car scene. You learn something new. Yeah, cars are a form of happiness, I'll tell you. And also, guys, stay tuned. The Kurri Kurri Nostalgia Festival is coming up in 2 weeks, so that'll be interesting. I'll be there. Don't know if I'll do both days or if I'll just go on the Sunday or whatever, but I'll definitely be there. They'll have rock and roll music, dancing, classic cars. There'll probably be like 50 cars that catch my eye, and I'll probably have like a 50 part series of cars that caught my eye. Like I'll probably do maybe a vintage veteran special, and yeah, anything along the lines of that. And I'll look forward to it. All right, well, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.